Ever wondered how to download Chrome Offline Installer MSI? This nifty tool is a standalone application that lets you install Google Chrome on multiple computers without requiring an internet connection each time. Imagine the convenience, especially for those grappling with slow or unpredictable internet connections. Not only does it save time, but it also ensures a smooth installation process free of interruptions. It's a tech lifesaver in many ways, right? Now let's dive right in and learn how to download it. Downloading Chrome Offline Installer MSI is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and get it done. Firstly, you need to pay a visit to Google Chrome's Enterprise website. This is where all of the goodies for enterprise users are housed, including the Chrome Offline Installer MSI. Remember, the site's layout might change over time, but don't worry. Google always makes sure the important stuff is easy to find. Once you're on the site, you'll need to do a bit of scrolling. You're looking for the Chrome bundle for Windows 64-bit or Chrome bundle for Windows 32-bit section. Which one you choose depends on your system. If you're not sure about your system type, a quick system check will clear up any confusion. When you've found the right section, it's time for the next step. Look for the Download Chrome Bundle button. It's usually a big blue button that's hard to miss. Give it a click and you'll be on your way to the next step. Up pops a new window. Here you'll be given a choice. You want the MSI package. It's typically listed among other options, but it's the one you want for this task. Once you've selected it, hit the download button. Now you're almost there. A prompt will ask you where you want to save the MSI file. Choose your preferred location on your computer. It could be your desktop, your downloads folder, or a dedicated folder you've created just for downloads. Wherever it is, make sure it's somewhere you can easily access. Once you've chosen your location, hit save and let the download do its thing. It might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, but once it's done, you've got the Chrome Offline Installer MSI file right there on your computer. And there you have it, the Chrome Offline Installer MSI file is now downloaded and ready to be installed. With this file, you can install Chrome on any computer, even without an internet connection. It's a handy tool to have, especially for those times when you need a reliable browser on the go. Let's do a quick recap of what we've covered. To download the Chrome Offline Installer MSI, remember to follow each step carefully. The process starts with going to the Chrome Enterprise Bundle website. Here, you must select the appropriate bundle for your Windows system, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Ensure you select the MSI package when downloading. With the Chrome Offline Installer MSI, you're now equipped to install Chrome on any computer, anytime, anywhere.